he will get a life which is difficult. Will start here in the dunya to make his life difficult. That's why you see those people, for example, who keep on smoking. Even if they are Muslims, what happens to them? They wake up in the morning, all the secretions from the chest are coming out, and some of them is foul-smelling sputum. Not only that, breathing becomes difficult. He says we'll start in this dunya with a difficult life. So we should follow, dear brothers and sisters, we should follow Islam to the utmost.